So first find out the closure of BF. So BFG plus means you have to calculate the closure of BFG, and BFG in left hand. If that is equal to AE, then it is correct. Otherwise, it is wrong. So you have to calculate the closure of BF. Now store x is equal to BF. BFG को आपने यहाँ पे स्टोर कर दिया। अब आपको क्या देखना है? फंक्शनल डिपेंडेंसी। A tends to B 1 by 1 C. A tends to B. A is not the subset of, and CS tends to A. AB tends to B, and B tends to E. A tends to B and B tends to, so A tends to B. A is not the subset of B. Okay, move next. CH tends to A. CH tends to A. CH is not the member of subset of BFG. Okay. Next, B tends to E. So B tends to E, and B is a subset of this one. BF. So this will E will be added to X. Then X is equal to B E F G. Okay. So next functional dependency. Check for the next functional dependency. BD tends to C, and BD is member of this one? No. Okay. Then check EG tends to H. EG, G and G is the subset of X. Suppose this is no, that is not the problem. E member and G member. This is the set. In this set, E is available, G is available. So here EG is available. So the H will be added to this one. Then the X is equal to G, E, F, G and H. Now check for D, E tends to F. D is not a member of this one, so the final answer is this one. So this B F G is not equal to 8, so it is wrong. Clear to everyone? कोई डाउट? चलिए, तो पहला आपको साबित हो गया कि रॉन्ग। सेकंड ऑर्डर अच्छा लिख लीजिए, ठीक है।